Ayesha, and today we are going to make something with my kitchen set. Here we go. This is my special camera, and this is my two pans, and this is a pot that I can boil something whatever I can make. And these are my 3 plates. I'll show you the rest of the plate later. And these are my cat. Can you see? And the other ketchup is a different one. That is a strawberry juice. Can you see? And this is the spoon, and this is the knife, and this is the turner, and here the fork. See? And this is my tap, and this is the sink. Can you see the sink? And I have 2 ovens. I'll show you how to open. You just press the button, then it can boil. This is how you press. And the other oven is just to turn it. And also I have 5 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 cups. They're blue, 3 blue, and 1 pink. That's the biggest one. And what else? And this is my knife, and this is a salt that I use to keep the salt in the egg. And this is my roll that I want to roll something, bread or anything I can roll. And this is my grinder that I can grind something. I can make a juice or anything. Can you see it? It's pink color. And this is my and this is a measuring cup that I may take some time from here. And I have plates. The plates are different color now. I have 5 plates now. You see? This is the pink plate, and this is the yellow plate. And and this is my special fridge that my mom made it. Also my oven, just same like the fridge. My mom made it too. And you want to see what's inside a fridge? There are vegetables, egg, and cabbage, apple. Also eggplant. There are 2 eggplants. I love my pink kitchen set, but I wonder what can I cook today? I got an idea. I will search in YouTube, Google. Let's go now. And you want to see what's inside a fridge? There are vegetables, egg, and cabbage, apple. Also eggplant. There are 2 eggplants. I love my pink kitchen set, but I wonder what can I cook today? I got an idea. I will search in YouTube, Google. Let's go now. Let me search my laptop. What can I make? Not this. No, not this. Oh yeah, I found. I can make a cabbage soup. And what else? No, not this. No, not this. Oh yeah, an orange juice. Oh, I forgot to tell you something. You can see my new laptop. This is my laptop. I have a mouse and a laptop. It has different kind of buttons and there are colors and numbers and letters. Also, it's yellow with orange. It has also buttons for owning and not owning. Can you see my nice laptop? Let me go in the kitchen and let me make a cabbage soup and an orange juice. Let's go!
Now guys, I finished cutting. Let's go and keep in the kitchen and grind it.
Cabbage soup, we have to wash our hands and make sure that the pot is also washed. Shh. Now let me on the stove and keep some oil. Now let's put the garlic. Now let's mix it. Can you see the garlic? They're all inside. Now let's put water. Now let's mix it. It goes round and round. They are in the water. See it? I showed you. Cook some more. Now it's so hot. Now let's keep cabbage. Now see, this is the way how we make cabbage soup. All of them are cooking in it. This is the cabbage soup I made before. They're going round and round. Away out. Now my hands are getting tired of mixing, but I can mix it easily. Now let me close it. It will go for 10 minutes. Now the timer is set. Ooh, it's so hot. Now let me close the stove and open it. Very good smell. Let me give it to my brothers and sisters. Can see guys, I'm putting for my brothers and sisters. It looks so yummy. I'm putting it. It's for cabbage. And also don't forget to make some more. They all are done. I give to my brothers and sister now. Now let's start to make an orange juice. Here is my brother. He will tell me how to make an orange juice.
You know what we need to make an orange juice? We need sugar, orange powder, and water.
Now let's keep 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now your turn, Ibrahim.
Okay,
Do
now,
different.
now I'm gonna keep the orange powder. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll keep 4 tablespoons.
All right. Now let's put water. You can put water, but don't throw it. Now let's grind